Are you considering a trip to Korea soon? Let us guide you on what essentials to pack for your journey. Depending on the season, your packing list may vary, but as summer approaches, here's a non-exhaustive list of must-haves for your visit to South Korea. What essentials should you pack before coming to South Korea? Asterisk seasonal clothing. Summers in Korea can be hot and humid, so lightweight and breathable clothing are recommended. However, do pack a light jacket or sweater for cooler evenings or places with air conditioning. Asterisk comfortable shoes. You'll likely be doing a lot of walking, so bring comfortable shoes suitable for exploring cities, hiking trails, or visiting cultural sites. Asterisk sun protection. Korea can be sunny, especially during summer. Pack sunscreen with high SPF, sunglasses, and a wide-brimmed hat to protect yourself from UV rays. Asterisk depending where you come from, you should bring a travel adapter. Korea uses a two-pronged electrical outlet Type C and Type F. Asterisk money and cards. Bring some local currency, South Korean won, for small purchases or transportation. Also, carry credit, a debit cards that can be used internationally. Backpack. A lightweight and versatile backpack will come in handy for carrying essentials like water, snacks, sunscreen, and a camera while exploring. Asterisk portable power bank. This will be useful especially if you plan to use your smartphone for navigation or taking photos. Asterisk medications and first aid kit. Pack any prescription medications you may need, as well as basic over-the-counter medicines for common ailments like headaches or upset stomachs. Also include items like band-aids, antiseptic wipes, and pain relievers. Asterisk travel documents. Don't forget to bring your passport, travel insurance information, flight tickets, hotel reservations, and any other important documents. Asterisk language guide. Translation app. While English is widely spoken in tourist areas, having translation app can be helpful for communicating with locals or navigating menus and signs in Korean. Asterisk travel guidebook or maps. Consider bringing a travel guidebook or downloading maps of the areas you plan to visit. This can help you discover hidden gems and plan your itinerary more efficiently. Asterisk reusable tote bag. Reduce your environmental footprint by packing a foldable tote bag for shopping or carrying souvenirs.